Student, welcome to online physical science class for class 10. Today's topic is organic compound and subtopic is classification of organic compound. The major sources of substance in earth we found three type of substance: minerals, plants, animals. Minerals are in organic compound. Plants and animal together called organic compound. Now, definition of organic compound: till 1815, the substance which were obtained from living bodies, that is from plants and animal, were regarded as organic compound. The term organic was introduced by Berzelius, and the chemistry of such compound was known as organic chemistry. With few exceptions like oxide of carbon, metallic carbonate, bicarbonate, cyanide, etc., all other carbon containing compound are known as organic compound. So, organic compounds must contain carbon, other element like hydrogen, oxygen, and in some cases element like nitrogen, phosphorus, chlorine, sulfur, etc. But inorganic compound are formed by the combination of any type of elements. Inorganic compound here. Inorganic compound are formed by the combination of any types of element, but in organic compound carbon along with hydrogen, oxygen should present. There are so many sources of organic compound. Here I given many sources of organic compounds are here. Plant, first plant, example carbohydrate. Organic example of organic compound is carbohydrate, source is plant. Again, if you go to the sources of animal, organic compound from animal we get amino acid, protein, fats, urea, etc. Coal is another sources of organic compound. By destructive distillation produces benzene, toluene, carbolic acid. Another sources of organic compound is petroleum, and from petroleum by fractional distillation produces diesel, wax, LPG, naphtha. These are the example of organic compound. And for fermentation is a main sources of organic compound, and from fermentation we get ethyl alcohol, lactic acid, citric acid, etc. are the example of organic compound. Here organic compounds or hydrocarbon, another name of organic compound is hydrocarbon, is divided into two major groups: open chain compound, cyclic compound. Another name of open chain is aliphatics. Example of open chain is butane, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. These chain are open, not close. But in cyclic compound, carbon-carbon chain are in close or ring like structure. Example, benzene is the example of cyclic compound. Again, open chain are of two types: straight chain and branch chain. What is a straight chain? When the hydrocarbon in which carbon chain extend in both sides but does not form any branch is known as a straight chain. Example, ethane. And what is branch chain? When the carbon chain is extended in three sides, you see three side extended, 1, 2 and 3 sided, the hydrocarbon is known as branch chain hydrocarbon. Methyl propane is the example of branch chain. Again, straight chains are of two types, saturated and unsaturated, and branch chains also divided into two groups, saturated and unsaturated. What is saturated? When all carbon atoms in a compound are joined by single bond, it is single bond. Example, ethane is called saturated. And unsaturated compound, the compound in which at least two carbon atoms are joined by either double or triple bond. Here you see the triple bond, that's why it is called unsaturated compound. Example, acetylene. Again, unsaturated compounds are divided into two major groups, alkene and alkynes. In alkene, double bond is called alkene and triple bond carbon is called alkyne. Example of alkene is ethylene. Formula is CnH2n, and alkyne formula CnH2n minus 2. Example is acetylenes. Here we finish the today's topic. Till then, bye. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channels and share it as much as possible. Thank you.